What we're going to look at now is editing mesh surfaces in AutoCAD 2010. Now I've got a 3D solid here, let's say my rectangular 3D solid. Can I convert that to a mesh where it can either be faceted or optimized? Let's have a look at that and let's go to the Mesh Modeling tab. I've got the option here with the Convert Mesh panel. So I select what type of mesh I want. Do I want a smooth or a faceted? Well, let's go for faceted optimized there. And then what I do is click on Convert to Solid and select my solid here. And then right click, look at the command line. Object cannot be converted. That's because it's already a 3D solid. So what I need to do here is create a primitive to convert to a solid. So I've got a mesh box here, or I can go for a cone, a cylinder, pyramid, sphere, wedge or torus. I'm just going to go for a box. That makes life nice and simple. So I left click, drag to get the base of my box, left click again to get the corner, and then drag upwards to get the height, left click again. So there's my mesh box. So what I'm going to do now is click here, and I'm going to go for a smooth optimized mesh box. So I click on Convert to Solid here, like so. I then select the mesh box, like so, right click, and it converts to a smooth, optimized solid. So what you've got to do is you've got to have that mesh in place to create these nice, smooth solids. Now what I'm going to look at here as well now is I'm going to look at these objects here. That's a spline, and that's just a standard line. If I look at this icon here, tabulated surface. If you look at the example there, you can see it's corrugated roofing on a steel beam. So if I click there, it asks me for the object for the path curve. That's that one there, like so. I'm then going to select this object here for my direction vector, and bang, there's my mesh surface. It's still a primitive. So what I can do here now, again, I'm going to look and I'm going to go for smooth optimized again. And if I go convert to surface this time and select my object and then right click, it converts to a smooth meshed surface, as you can see. So look how smooth that is. That's all followed that nice spline there and converted it to a nice mesh surface. So as you can see there, these mesh surfaces are so easily created in AutoCAD 2010. The interface makes life so much easier now. So have a look at this when you get your AutoCAD 2010. Even if you haven't used 3D before, it's very, very easy to use now. It might be worth making that paradigm shift to 3D after all.